أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد وبارك وسلم وصل عليه Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you're doing great and fine shine. Welcome to Tutor Hafiz Kashif YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn Arabic alphabet pronunciation, inshallah ta'ala. So without any further delay, let's start. But first, we need to revise our previous lesson which we learned in pre-class. Have a look. So first of all, we was learn the shapes of Arabic letters. So now we revise into 2 to 3 minutes our previous lesson. Okay.
Yes.
So we was learn Arabic alphabet shape. So we learned that Alif is look like one, counting or English counting 1 to 3. So Alif is look like Alif shape is look like one, and along with we was learn Ba, Ta, Tha. These letters are siblings like brothers sisters. So these letters look like bird, like kashti in Urdu we can say. So bird. So Ba, Ta, Sa is these are siblings. Okay. So Ba has one dot under, Ta has two dot on the top, and Sa has three dot on the top. So after that, Lam is look like handle of umbrella. Okay, this you can say Lam is look like. So we was learn Noon shape is look like moon, like Chand in Urdu. So Noon is look like, and also a pronunciation also sound is look like moon, noon. So after just replace N. Okay, so Meme is look like tail of the cat. Okay, Ahmed, are you listening?
Yes, I listen.
Okay, so Dal and Zal, these both are same shape but just difference between dot. Dal and Zal look like our nose. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so Ra and Za is also look like, so right angle. These are look like right angle. So Tha, you can say Tha is look like fatty man, like, and Za is also look like these fat player. This is Tha, this is Za. Say Tha,
Ba,
Za.
Wa.
Okay, got it? Got it. So Jim, Ha, Ha. These letters are also called siblings, brother and sister. Jim, Ha, Ha. Just between dot difference, and its shape look like duck. Okay, yellow duck you can see here. So this is Ha. Ha is look like egg, and this is Wow. Wow is look like curvy stairs. So Qaf is look like these insects. Sod, Zod. These both are similar letters. So it looks like cup of tea. Okay, Hamza is look like bows, gulail in Urdu we can say. Okay, let's move forward. Now, first we need to just learn the image of the mouth. First, you must learn and you know the pictures and you know the all points. After that, we will move on the pronunciation of the Arabic alphabets. So first, Ahmed, this is a throat. Okay,
Okay.
this is throat. So in throat we there are six letter. There are six letters that occurs that pronounce, produce, and to throat. Okay, into our neck. So these letters are also called harufe halki. Okay.
Okay.
These letters are also called haruf halki. So this is the tongue. This is our tongue. Okay, this is our tongue. Yeah, we can say in Urdu zuban. So this is the roof of the mouth, upside of the mouth. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the nose. This is our lips. Okay. See my arrow. Okay. Focus on my arrow. Okay. This is down lip. It is upside lip. So this is teeth, upper teeth, snaya ulya. we can say in Arabic. So this is the lower teeth. The makhraj of alif is empty space in mouth. Okay.
Okay.
So this is ba. Okay. Ba
Okay.
ba black sheep. Must remember this instruction about alif. Alif is also always light letter tarqiq mean. Always light unless carrying a heavy vowel. We will learn later inshallah. No pressure or harshness in alif. Pronunciation of alif. Mud letter, okay? Alif is mud letter, can elongate 2 to 3, 6 beats when followed by Hamza Sukun. Okay, it is also called alif madda letter, okay? Or now this is ba. Ba makhraj is lips pressed together and released. So ba is a lips letter, like ba is pronounced, ba makhraj is lips. Ba, say ba. Ba,
Ba.
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 Ta,
Ta.
ta is ta makhraj is tongue tip touches upper teeth. Okay, tongue touches upper teeth. Okay, so the tip of the tongue touches upper teeth. After that, tha. So tha, there you can say here. You can see here. Sa. So sa. The makhraj of sa is tongue between teeth. Okay, tha between the teeth. Tongue is between the teeth. Tha will produce. It is light letter, no throat tension. So soft, light and soft letter. So is strong airflow, like think. We in English we said like think. What is the next letter after tha? Jim. Okay, so let's move on. Jim. So pronunciation of the makhraj of Jim is middle tongue. Okay,
Okay.
middle tongue touches roof of the mouth. Okay, when middle tongue touches roof of the mouth, so Jim will produce. Okay, Jim. Say Jim.
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 Yes. Okay. So Jim is light and most dialects smooth sound like J. So Jim sound like J. Okay. No special feature, no kalkala or heavy emphasis. Jim is also called kalkala. Later we will learn inshallah in next video. What is the next letter after Jim?
Ha.
Okay, so ha. Let's move throat letters on to throat letters. So these are also called throat letter. This is also called rufe halki. So like halak in halak. So it will produce in halak. So okay. So ha is produced from where? Middle throat. Okay, this is the middle throat. Okay.
Okay.
Ha ain is pronounced from middle throat. Okay,
Okay.
ha is also heavy, is always heavy. Ha is hard, strong friction in throat. Okay, whisper letter, no vocal cord vibration. Ha is no vocal cord vibration. Okay, so ha, after that, ha makhraj is upper throat. Okay, it is heavy letter. So ha is hard letter. Okay, so speak ha.
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 Yes. Ghain.
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 Let's move Hamza and Ha. So Hamza and Ha is produced from lower throat. Okay,
Okay.
so Hamza.
Hamza.
Ha.
Ha.
Hamza.
Hamza.
Ha.
Ha.
Yeah, so lower throat. It will pronounce into lower throat. So middle throat, ain.
Ain.
Ha.
Ha.
It will pronounce from middle throat. Ghain.
Ghain.
Kha.
Ha.
It will pronounce from top throat, okay, upper side of the throat. And after that we will move dal, okay, dal. So dal makhraj is tongue tip touches gum line, okay, tongue touch tongue tip of the tongue touches gum line, okay. Dal is lighter than zad, okay. Zad and dal both are difference later, okay. A lot of difference between dal and zad. Some peoples are mixture these both letters, okay. Dal is also another, and zad is another letter, okay. Okay. Okay, in this video we learn the makhraj of alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, and hamza and ha. Okay, the pronunciation of Arabic letters is very lengthy topic. I know that. So the video is very long right now. So we will learn another Arabic alphabet pronunciation and makharij in next video inshallah ta'ala. Till then keep learning. If this video got helpful for you, so please like this video, share it to others, and also subscribe our Islamic YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khaira. Allah Hafiz.